Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the airbag module on a Mazda 3 second generation from 2010 all the way until 2014. Stay with us to see how we're going to do that, guys. As you can see, we removed the driver airbag. We have the video, okay, how to actually how to remove it, how to replace the wires. We have that video as well, how to replace the seat belt and the module. In this video we'll have just the module in this video. So what you guys need to do first, you need to go ahead and disconnect the battery with a 10mm socket right there. Okay, that's a 2012 model. It was hit in the front. Alright guys, so the airbag module is located right next to the emergency brake right here. And most cars you need to remove the whole center console. On this one you don't. We'll show you how to do it easy. We'll show you the trick so you don't have to do extra work. Alright, first thing that you need to do, you need to grab with your fingers right next to the emergency brake there and pull. There is a couple clips on this side as well here. I think 3 on this side, and after that you need to start pulling a little bit on the front. Just be careful not to break it, okay, like that. It comes out, then you have some on the side, okay, and you need to be careful because that is very thin here, so keep pulling a little bit. And on the back there is a few as well, okay, you hear it coming out just like that. Be careful. Now what you need to do, you need to leave the emergency brake and pull it out of there, guys. Oh guys, and you can see emergency brake here. Okay, that's the airbag module right there. So what we need to do, there is 3 bolts that we need to remove with a 10mm socket. Okay, you can see one is right there on the front, 2 on the front, 1 on the back actually. Okay, second one, and now the third one is right here. Okay, right there. So we remove this one as well. Now what you need to do, you need to grab the bolts by hand, pull them out, okay, and don't drop them inside. Alright, that's what the bolt looks like. Okay, and this is the one on the back, and we have one right here that I dropped. Now you need to go ahead and okay, undo this tape right there, and that's the module made by Bosch. We have 3 clips in the back that you can do. Okay, you need to release those now. Alright guys, now there is one thing that you need to press right there. Okay, press down and then you can pull the wire out. Okay, right there, this one came out, and now we have 2 more. After that you need to pull them just the same way. Okay, and one right there, that's the last one. Alright guys, and after you disconnect the wires, you can just go ahead and pull it out. Okay, so that's the airbag module, that's the part number right here. If you need to order for yours, you need to make sure you have the right part number. So that's the whole procedure, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.